Handheld milk frother and drink mixer. Features: multi-use frothing wand. Use this as a frat maker, hot chocolate stirrer, cream whipper, and more. Cordless. Powered by just 2 AA batteries, take our small frothers on the go to froth any beverage. Quality instruction. The stainless steel milk frother stick is durable and looks great in any kitchen. Stand included. Portable automatic whisker comes with a base so you can keep it by your coffee maker. Enjoy premium barista quality beverage and whipped topping from the comfort of your own home. Highly versatile. The Casa Cafe Deluxe Milk Frother does more than just work milk for your latte or butter coffee. Use this premium stirring wand to mix up hot chocolate, protein shakes, baby formula and other powdered drinks so you are left with no lumps. The frother also blends matcha tea and whips up eggs or heavy cream for amazing omelets and dessert toppings. Stop paying crazy coffee shop price and enjoy gourmet level brews, treats and more right in your own kitchen and healthier too. Your friends, roommates and guests will hardly believe that what you are serving was whipped up by yours truly. The Deluxe Milk Frother by Casa Cafe is extremely durable and portable so you can froth away at home or on the go for years to come. Premium construction. Made of high quality stainless steel, this frothing wand is designed to not only look fantastic in your kitchen, office break room or dorm room, but it built to last as well. With a wide base, the frother can stand up on its own virtually anywhere you take it. The comfortable contoured handle allows for easy gripping and the easy switch dual speed seating means you can stir faster or slower depending on what you are whipping up. Measuring just under 11 inches tall, this frother stick is easily portable for perfectly mixing protein shakes, post-workout, a cup of hot chocolate while camping, and so much more. The cordless design powered by the two included double batteries means You don't need to be close to an outlet to whip up yummy drinks and toppings either. Grab one for yourself and a friend for their birthday anniversary or as a housewarming present today. For more details, visit www.milkfrother.org. Thank you.